How to fix PrizePicks withdrawal failed or not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can fix if you're encountering issue with withdrawing funds from your PrizePicks account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, verify your playthrough completion. For that, you have to log in into your account and check that your account to confirm that you have made the 1x playthrough requirement using the credit funds. The second option is to confirm your payment method eligibility. Ensure that the withdrawal method that you are attempting to use has been previously used for a deposit. If not, then consider depositing a small amount using your preferred method to enable future withdrawals to that account. The third option is to check for your withdrawal amount. Make sure that your withdrawal request meets the minimum $10 requirement. And another option is to wait for the pending deposits to clear. If you have recently made a deposit, allow sufficient time for the funds to clear before attempting a withdrawal. And if that still does not help you, and if you are verified of all the steps that I have mentioned earlier and still facing the issue, then you have to reach out to the PrizePicks support via their help center for the personalized assistance. So in this way, you can fix your withdrawal issue in your PrizePicks. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.